Hello, this video will show you how to use the free Smarthinking online video tutoring service that's built into all Canvas classes. So the first thing you do is you go to your homepage, the school homepage, and then click on BV/Canvas. You don't have to go into the portal. And then click on Login. Then this shows up, and just type in your regular portal sign in, and it'll take you directly to Canvas. Now, once you're in Canvas, you may want to read some of the message that you have, which may be different than mine, and then go into your class. And then you'll notice over here on the bottom that you'll see a link for the Smarthinking online tutoring service. This is free. It'll show you what the supported browsers and all that is. So even on a Mac, if you have Chrome, you should be okay. And these are the things that you can do on here. Now they have many tutorials built in right down here, but they speak a little bit fast. If you're used to that, that's okay. But what I recommend that you do is go into support first, go into tutorials. And this is the student resources section. Watch this video first, and that will take you through at a decent pace. Then if you want to just read something, then click on the access guide. And then this will take you through most of the things that are available on here. If you have any problems, if you click on support, again, then go to technical support. Then you could submit a ticket, or call them, or get a live chat. This is available 24 hours a day. Now, I'd like to show you one thing before I go, is the study aids area. If you just want to look to see if there's anything available besides the writing or the math, come here, and there are many study aids available to you. Now, this thing here says the video lessons are only available through geometry, but if you go into, say, like the math study resources, you have all these other ones that are available to you. And right here, the resources calculus, multivariable, and differential equations on here. This leads you to the MIT's open courseware, so you have a lot more available to you. Another interesting one would be, say, like the online accounting glossary. And it's all listed alphabetically, all the accounting terms that you might need. So you got also the writing center. You could submit your writing or career documents. Now this could be not necessarily an English class, could be any class where you have to turn in assignments for grading as a paper. Then you have the tutoring service. You could submit a question, work with a tutor or career coach. You could try to get one right away, or you can schedule one in advance. So again, start off, if this is your first time, go into the tutorials, watch the video, look at the access guide, and once you're happy with that, you could try some of the other videos, or you could look at the study aids that are available. Right now I'm kind of stuck here, so I'm going to go back out of it. You have all the different study aids. Chemistry. Chemistry has some extensive outside videos also built in too. Hope you have fun with this.